Yeah. So the charge flowing through the okay, after switches are closed, how to distribute the charge? That initial charge, what to do with that initial charge? Let it be. So the final charges, I'll proceed like this. Q1 minus Q1. So let this be Q2 minus Q2. Let me call Q3 minus Q3. Then we'll use all the things. So this is C1, C2, and C3. Now, charge at isotope at J, at isotope junction J. What was the initial charge? Minus Q naught plus 0 plus 0. What was the charge of this? What was the charge of this? This was minus Q naught. This was 0. This is 0. Finally, minus Q1 minus Q2 plus Q3. So you should not write Q1 plus Q2 equal to Q3 here. Things are different. Are you getting no? I just brought intentionally so that you can analyze what is the meaning of that charge at isotope junction must be conserved. So this should be equal to Q3 is equal to Q naught equal to Q1 plus Q2 minus Q3. So keep one equation like this. So we know value of Q naught how much? 2. Let this be equation 1. Let's write loop equation. So this will be 4 volt. Directly I'm writing it to save time. So this will be Q1 by 2. This is a path. I'll prefer path like this. Plus 4 minus Q1 by C1 minus Q1 by 2. Negative to positive. Rise in drop minus C2 equal to 0. Is that okay? So this one. So 4 minus Q1 plus Q2 by 2. What were the values? C2, 1 farad. I think I'll change this. Just previous problem, let me continue so that you can notice the difference. 4 minus Q1 plus minus 2 equal to 0. So this will be 2, 4, one more equation needed. So let me take the loop equation. 4 minus Q1 by 2 minus Q3 by 3 equal to 0. 24 minus 3Q1 plus 2Q3 equal to 0. How many unknowns are there? 1, 2, 3. Yes, we'll get the 3 equations, 3 unknowns. Solving them, we'll get the required answer. Now don't go for, let it be charge in all places, let it be different. Now we'll trace out the charge. I think we have to solve this 3, no other way. And give the values Q1, Q2, because work done by the cell, I must know this one. After knowing the Q1 value, I can proceed something.
So 17 by 3 is 5 by 6, 9 by 2.
17 by 3?
5 by 6, 9 by 2.
5 by 6, 9 by 2. Okay, these are the values. Okay, just I got the values. Now I'll proceed here. How to calculate each generate? For that, what is needed? How much of work done by the cell? No. So how to predict work done by the cell? So shall I say charge flown through the cell is Q1? Charge flown through the cell is Q1? The answer is no. So you should look at the plate connected to the cell like this. This particular plate you look at. What was earlier charge? Q naught. Now what is the charge? Q1. So you look at the Q naught value. Q naught, how much it was? 2 coulomb. So now how much it is? 17 by 3. So definitely this is more than Q naught. So I'll assume the charges like this. So let QA charge entered here. That QA should pass like this. There's a way of tracing out the charge in all the branches. So what charge entered, that much should leave. This is QA. Sir, like how you are saying QA enter? Why not you take QA leaving the plate? Means why you are taking? Yes, you do anything. If you get negative, you assume opposite to the actual flow. If you get positive, what you assumed is right. So you have orbited that one. So it's nothing that one you must make a really correct guess. Need not. Just assume that charge QA entered the positive plate of capacitor C1. Solve it. If you get positive, what you assumed is right. If you get negative, change the direction. Similarly, I'll go for Q2. Definitely, I'm very sure that here the charge, let me call QB. That's particular charge will come here. So QA charge entered, QA left. So here QB will come right here. QA plus QB. So and that QA will flow here. QB will flow in this direction. There's a method of tracing the charge. Okay, how to get that QA? So directly take help of the plate. Here, what was earlier charge? Q naught. So take help of this Q naught. For that, what happened? You added a charge QA, then it has become Q1. But sir, initial charge, let's not bother anything. I'll get the value of QA. So it's like a bucket, no? The concept of bucket, like, so if you have a bucket, so what was the initial? This was having some charge. Here only I'll show the diagram so that it's easy for students to think. So what was the earlier charge? Say some Q naught charge was there. And then QA charge I added and it has become Q1. So there's no any big concept involved, just common sense. Now, you know there's some water there. If you pour more water, if you pour additional water, the amount of water will increase. The same thing happens with the, you pick up any one plate, that is sufficient. So with this, what is the value of QA? No? So Q naught equal to how much? 2 coulomb. This is 17 by 3. So QA equal to 17 by 3 minus 2. 2 3 just 6, 11 by 3 coulombs. Similarly, we'll go for QB. So what about QB? QB was 0. For that, you are adding QB and it has become Q2. So it is like, the first problem, no? I'm just giving supporting diagrams so that you can manage very easily. This is what capacitor C1, it happens. This is C2. So there was, and we are adding some charge QB and it has become I don't know nowadays because like in my class 12, no, the teacher used to teach something very practical. So most of the things what I am discussing, no, I'm just reflecting those things only. The teacher, because we used to do labs, everything, no, the teacher were more practical at that time. They were not just only paper world. They used to conduct labs, everything. So they had a exact the idea. That one. So they used to give very simplified examples. I still do remember. So this is not my method. what my teacher taught me, I'm just showing it to you. He just told like a bucket, everything that one. I'm just sharing that information with you. What I got, I just sharing it. This is not my method. I'm very frankly, I'm telling. Okay, let's come for the capacitor C3. The capacitor C3, what was earlier charge? 0. So QB is equal to how much? Is directly equal to 5/6 coulomb. Now capacitor C3, initially no charge, and how much of charge we added? QA plus QB. QA and QB charge we added, and it has become some Q3. So write the equation 0 plus QA plus QB equal to Q3. Already we know. Check the QA plus QB. Is it equal to Q3? This is one cross
Yes,
check.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine, no? So like this is one methods of cross checking things, whether you're right or wrong. All this will help us. So this is true. Okay, now I think we're in best position to write that heat generated. So what is work done by this cell? Positive or negative? Positive, no? It does positive work. I'll write supplies. What about this? This also supplies. So let's write the equation. So initial energy in the circuit, UI plus work done by the cell E1, work done by the cell E2 equal to UF plus heat generated. Initial energy not 0. There is some energy is there. Q naught square by 2C1. QA by E1. QB by E2 equal to Q1 square by 2C1. So this H is what? Heat generated. Wide varieties of problem. In books, what happen? With initial charge, hardly you have any problem. But definitely in exam, I do trouble with these ideas. Now, if you don't consider that initial charge, any problem, you see, look at this. You don't bother. Sir, initial charge, I'm not bothered. Directly, I'll find out Q1, Q2, Q3. I think in your calculation, we got this much, no? Q1, Q2, Q3, we got it. Then when it comes heat generated, I think we are definitely wrong, no? Charge flown through the cell is not Q1. How much? QA. I just wanted to give that information here, nothing big. I'll bring the total discussion. You can see now here. If I don't bother that initial charge, then what is the conclusion we make it? The charge flown through the cell E1 is what we think only Q1, no? Then work done by the cell E1, what happened? Will become Q1 into E1. Definitely an error will come. Got the idea? So therefore, when any initial charge comes, you have to be careful. That's what the thing which I wanted to conclude here. Okay, this I think this a bucket one. No, everyone will understand. So why you are writing positive? Suppose a charge leaves. If you take out some water from bucket, you will put negative. No, still not getting. Okay, get into bathroom. Okay, add some water. Already some water there. If you add water, water will increase. If you remove some water, amount of water will decrease. So therefore, when to take negative, positive. If a charge leaves positive terminal of a cell or of a capacitor, then put negative. If a charge enters, there should be positive. Sir, I'll consider this terminal. Why you took this? You can do that also. So what is the equation for this negative terminal you are going to write? Minus Q naught was charge, and charge left minus QA will become equal to minus Q1. If you want to write even for negative terminal, you can write it. For negative terminal, I think I'll in the
Sir, sir, capital Q1, Q2, Q3 are not satisfying equation 3, sir.
you have to check values.
Sir, they are not satisfying equation 3, sir.
No, then you have to check the values. We have to check the values. There's no other way. Mathematics, you check it once. Huh?
Correct only, sir, those values.
These values has to be this particular thing.
Yes, sir, it's correct only.
Correct only. Yeah? Satisfying 3.
Yes, sir.
Check some mathematics. Maybe I think there's no concept for.
Sir, we are getting 3q1 plus 2q3 equal to 26, no, sir, from these values. Then how can it satisfy, sir? We'll get 24 equal to 26 then.
Somebody check mathematics because I don't have any other concept here. Charge of a plate must be considered. I applied KVL.
Yes, sir, Q3. 30 questions not.
What happened? Q3?
30 questions is not satisfying, sir.
We have to.
Sir, Q2 equal to 2 by 3 coulomb, Q1 equal to 16 by 3 coulomb, Q3 equal to 4 coulomb.
Oh.
Yes, sir. Those are the values.
I think you do one thing. Some changes I have to make it. Yeah. So, okay. First problem. No, we'll do that one. Here afterwards, I'll just leave calculations. I'll just discuss only concept and come. Value Q1.
Q1 16 by 3 coulomb, sir.
16 by 3.
Q2 2 by 3 coulomb. Q3 4.
All things will change here again. 16 by 3. Ten by 3. This will be 2 by 3. Check now mathematics. You have to be. Say there's nothing, the concept, anything missing here. It's all about the mathematics. So shall I scroll down for negative plate? How to think for negative plate? Minus Q naught. Charge left, no. Minus QA, and it has become finally minus Q1. So you can write positive or negative plate. I'll